Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Fiesta. In this video I'll show you how to change front wipers. In the beginning, take a look at the new wiper. FORD Fiesta does not have service mode for wipers, because in order to change them, simply open it. And now press button here inside, and then with your second hand push it upwards. Now you can replace the wiper or just the rubber part. To place it back, slide it in here. Make sure it clicks, and now put it down. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.